Hey guys, showing you this Faraday bags. They are 4-pack extra large Faraday bag for laptop, phone, tablet, car keys or any other thing that you want to store. So here you can see this like the one small bag for cell phone, smaller for the car keys or anything. These are the straps that you can use with the bags, manual, how to use this a small one like for the other thing. So you can just see like the opening here for the laptop, for the tablets. So for the each variety, so there are total 4 packs that can be used. So these bags are actually helpful because they block the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or cellular or any connection, so no one can hack or do anything with it. As you can see that I'm putting this mobile in it with the network here, and just try to show you. So I will quickly show and see like there is no network here, so it blocked all the networks. So this is a really helpful bag in blocking all those things, so nobody can hack into your cell phone when you are in a public place. So this will actually block everything, so all the networks. So this is RFID, the car keys, GPS, cellular, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. So and this is how the mobile the laptop, so you have to close this on the one side and then put it. So you can also put in the straps, they're easy to carry. So this is a super secure bags where all the networking thing will block, so no one can hack into it from outside. So these are the adjustable shoulder strap and the convenient handle, the way you want to do it. So this is how the double lock you have to do, and now it is totally sealed and secured. So for the laptops, for the cell phone, so any other thing. So anti-monitoring, anti-disturbance, anti-tracking, block signals, anti-radiation, so any the way you want to use it. Very helpful and nice bags.